gente hermosa, and welcome to my channel. My name is Faith, and of course, as seen by today's title, we're going to be doing a NOTIQ unboxing. I do want to just say that on my channel, it is considered lifestyle videos, but I've been doing a lot more planner videos recently because I have kind of jumped into the planner community, and it's a lot. I've been trying a whole bunch of planners and different sizes. And yeah, it's very exciting for me. So if you are very into planner videos, stay tuned because there's a lot more to come, as well as other lifestyle videos. All right, so let's get into what you all came here for, the NOTIQ unboxing. I'm not off camera, just. I need a knife. All right. Okay, now that I got the box open, it had two other boxes inside of it, sorry. So let's go ahead and start with the smaller box. Wow, this is thick. Oh, okay. So, let's open the envelope, the infamous handwritten letter. Ooh, this is on vellum. This is so nice. And it comes with the notepad. Wow, so she gave me some goodies because I did not order this. Wow, you guys, I am excited. Like, I didn't order this. So this was free. So this is the Croco dashboard for the pocket, and then we have some note pages and some to-do pages. Wow. This is one of the reasons why I love NOTIQ. She's full of surprises and everything just elegant, okay? So nice, elegant, and it's vegan. Not that I am vegan, but that's just a kicker. All right, and I also picked up these paper clips in rose gold. And these two. These are gorgeous. And honestly, you can use this card for like deco inside of your planner as well. You can hole punch it or whatever. There's a lot of things. And then on this is the mission, and it just goes over her mission. And this is very nice. This is definitely new. Okay, let's get into. And then I keep the tissue paper because sometimes I actually use it to make spreads. Okay, so. Yeah, she definitely gave me some freebies for real. Let's see. I did not order this pen. So, this is definitely a freebie. And I already have this pen, but it is definitely nice to have two. So, this is the executive pen. And wow, she gave me so many freebies. You guys, I'm excited. Okay, we already seen a sneak peek of this one, but I got the pocket size planner and caramel. And I am shocked because this is my first time buying a pocket size planner from NOTIQ. Normally I just get the disc bound planners or the ones without the rings, and this is beautiful. Like, this is gonna go so well in my bag. This is gorgeous, y'all. This is gorgeous. All right, so let's get into the other stuff. And this planner comes with a chain, and this one in particular comes with the gold chain. This is nice, so you can wear it kind of like a crossbody in case, you know, say for instance your planner was the only thing you wanted to bring, you know, since it has credit card slots, you can use it as a crossbody. That's very unique, y'all. This is unique. I am excited because for one, I was not expecting these freebies. This is very nice. And now we're into the bigger box, which is just one more item that I picked up. I hate when I rip it. And this is, ta-da, an A5 cover, which I don't think anyone is surprised if you've seen my other videos. I've been catering to my A5 for a while. This is gorgeous, y'all. Look at this. It's the rose gold right here. The detailing, these rings are gorgeous, y'all. They're so pretty. And this is the stone cover with the quilted, I think it's Matrice. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Has the card slots on this side, and then these these other pockets on this side, as well as y'all look at this. It's just so gorgeous. Like, come on. NOTIQ is literally what takes all my money, y'all, because NOTIQ is so astonishing. Like, I cannot. Okay, so that was all for my NOTIQ unboxing. My order for this time. We already know, you guys, I love NOTIQ so much. Like, I can't even promise you this will be my last one for a while. I already been eyeing the pink croco, so who knows. But yes, so that is all that I got, and thank you all so much for watching this video. If anyone is interested, I actually do have a Instagram that is dedicated to planning and just all things planners, you know, coffee as well as purses that match or whatever. And yeah, so I also do Spanish word of the day over there. So if anyone is interested in learning some Spanish daily, I do a Spanish word every single day, Monday through Friday, not the weekends, on my stories. But yeah, okay. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you all in the next video. Bye.